Somewhere I feel that he will try to be friendly to everybody. He teaches us lots of stuff to us and he has such a great knowledge about that. That's why I feel that. And if I talk about a spineless person, so I don't think so. There is anybody who's spineless, but yeah, there is a person who's psychopath. I feel that is Himanshu, because anytime he speaks anything, he doesn't know even though what he's speaking, but he speaks anything. That's why. And if I talk about overrated, so definitely there would be overrated is maybe we can say Joy, because somewhere I feel that he does lots of stuff, but still is try to be coming in the knowledgeable person that he is considering as a knowledgeable person here, but somewhere he has never given a lot of the answer of the lots of the question people lots of students have asked, and he shifted from the other person too. That's why. That's it.
And resilient.
I am.
Okay.
So if I talk about the first word mastermind, that would be for me definitely it would be not Amit. And the second word spineless. Spineless, I would say that boy Harsh, because I think whatever he speaks, I even do not get, and whatever he speaks, he doesn't get as well. So he is a spineless. Overrated person, that would be lovely. Why? Sometimes she reacts like she knows everything, but I do not think so. From the inside, she knows. So definitely, that's overrated. Is lovely. And resilient person who never gives up, that would be Charanjit, because in any condition he tries to show himself very good, like he knows everything, and that's a reality. He knows everything. And psychopath, definitely that would be Himanshu. Yeah. 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 You go.
So mastermind is only one Charanjit who can make anyone easy to convey their points at all. Okay, so spineless. Who is a spineless? I think Anushka, because yesterday we were doing debate and I told them just shut up, you have done and you have to sit, but she was not sitting. So that's why she was a spineless. And overrated, definitely Joy. I will consider Joy. Okay, and resilient who never give up. Yeah, Om. I have to agree, yeah. Oh, because he doesn't have any kind of knowledge, but still he tries to be a best. Okay, and like psychopath, definitely Himanshu. Yesterday I was doing debate with Himanshu, and he was whatever he wanted to say, just he said. He didn't think about what am I saying or not. So definitely Himanshu.
Guys, speak aloud. Okay, जो भी है.
So if I talk about so if I talk about who is mastermind, so of course it is who is Amit, because whenever he speaks and whenever he talks to someone, so he can make him easily to talks and everything. That's why. And if I talk about overrated, so of course Abdul, because whenever I see he speaks good, but when he speaks, so everyone says like that you are good speaker and you are speaking good, but whenever I see him video, so I think that his videos, so I think that he is nothing. And psychopath, of course, who is Nikhil. He doesn't know whatever he is speaking, but he keeps on speaking rubbish things too. That's it. And resilient, resilient, who is Om. I saw every time he never gives us. That's it.
So what I personally believe that the mastermind in my eyes is Amit, because I have listened from so many students that Amit is a manipulator in 8 to 9 batch. So that's why I believe that a person who can manipulate, he can be a mastermind. Second is spineless, a person who does not have his own stand. So I believe somewhere or other Jatin, because a person who does not speak, so how he can have any kind of stand. Third is overrated. I believe Tom is the overrated person in this. Shiv is the overrated person in this academy, because just because of the viral video he has gotten all the fame. But if I talk about whatever he has done on his own, so we get to see nothing. Resilient, a person who is very hard working in my eyes, who never gives up. It is, I believe, Joy. Joy also working very hard for getting trophy. It is a different matter that he does not have his equivalent competitor in his batch, but somewhere other he is giving his best. Psychopath, I also agree with that. It is Himanshu, because he does not know what to speak and when to speak. He always goes with the flow. He speaks whatever he wants to. He never understands the environment. So that's it.
Okay, if I talk about mastermind in this batch, of course it is Amit, because I think he always try to be think that I am the best and he give his. And if I talk about overrated person, he is of course Abdul, because he shows that I knows everything and everyone say I know everything and everyone says that he is very good English speaker, but I think he is not. And if I talk about spineless, that is I can't say because I don't know. And resonated person, it's of course Goshia. Resilient person, it's of course Goshia Ree, because she always try to give her best even when she takes off. So when she comes, she never forget those things which has taught by sir. So that person is she. And psychopath, that is Om, of course. Why you don't know your face? Okay, so if I talk about mastermind, so maybe he is Joy, because as far as I know about him, so he's good English speaker and he speaks well, and he is mastermind because as far as I have noticed, so he's also a person who can make obey a front person. And if I talk about overrated, so maybe he can be Om, because he know nothing, but even he tries to defeat front person, but he has a lot of lack of knowledge. He speaks everything in debate. Okay. And if I talk about resilience, so maybe she is Pratigya, because she is a person I have noticed that she never gives up and she tries to best her, and as well as she has a lot of qualities like her accent and her way of speaking. She speaks very well in my perspective. And if I talk about spineless, so maybe she can be Anushka Di, because as far as I know about her, whenever it's debate, she interrupts a lot. And if I talk about 6 to 7 batch, when she started to come in her batch, she interrupts whole batch. So that's why I think so. That's it.
Psychopath.
Who is psychopath? Okay, so in my opinion, mastermind, of course, Charanjit. Why? Because I love whenever he explain anything, so I just attract by like his speaking. So I love way of his speaking. And second is spineless. So spineless is like a of course Om, because in debate he speaks anything, even though he doesn't have any information, he speaks. And third one is overrated. Abdul, he doesn't have even the knowledge and information, but he pretend he says that now he has the knowledge and he can defeat anyone. I don't think that he can defeat anyone. And the fourth one is resilience. So it would be Shiv, because I love his dedication toward English. Whenever he speaks with all his might, and he speaks very loudly, that I love. And the last one is psychopath. Yes, you are, because in the debate, in the conversation, she interrupts a lot that I don't like.
So, in my view, the mastermind, of course, it's Amit, because he know how to manipulate the person. And if I talk about resilient, so in my perspective, that is lovely, because she never gives up, even that she tries well to get the trophies. And if I talk about spineless, so it is you. And that's it. I don't want to speak.
So if I talk about masterminds, for me is mastermind is Charanjit, because he can manipulate anyone by his points. He has that power, he can manipulate, and that's the reason he's mastermind for me. An overrated person for me is Hayat. She tries to be famous, but she's nothing in this batch too. She can't do anything, and she doesn't have any knowledge about the topics too. And she doesn't talk about that. And resilient for me, resilient is Pratiksha, because she tries to speak in every debate, convo, and she's resilient for me. And if I talk about psychopath, so she's a psychopath for me. So he tries to be a Pocky in this batch, and he will become Pookie. And he is just like a psychopath. He speaks anything in debate, so he is a psychopath for me. And spineless for me is, she can be spineless for me. She is spineless for me, Hayat, because I can't trust her, and she doesn't deserve my trust too. She will speak anything, and she doesn't know the meaning of spineless, and she was saying me spineless.
Give me the pen. Okay, so if you talk about the mastermind, so that is of course Charanjit. Because whenever it is about like any kind of debate topic or convert, so at the time the first one is the first name which comes in our mind, that is Charanjit, because do you know he has different kind of mindset and game that he can defeat everyone. And second is spineless, because I think Hayat is spineless because she doesn't know what to speak, why to speak, who is she. She doesn't even know that who is she, but still she tries to be overacted, and she just keeps speaking anything. So you must know that what you are speaking, okay, and you must be like oh, okay. So if we talk about overrated, so that is Lovely. Because she thinks that she is very famous, but she is not famous. She got only famous just only because of me. And as well as she is very like cheap. Like I am backbone of her success because I when in video I am here. So at the time because of me she got famous, and she thinks that she is everything, but she is nothing. And if we talk about resilient, so that is of course my brother. Because do you know, if you if you see him, so whatever happens to him, he just comes just like any kind of rain or anything is coming. So but still he comes at academy. So that thing I like in him. And if we talk about a psychopath, so that is Jatin, because do you know Jatin is like fully psychopath because you know he just only focus on his dress sense. He doesn't focus on his English, by which he is becoming psychopath, and he just only focus on some girls. He doesn't focus on everyone.
So if I talk about mastermind, so of course it would be Amit, because he has knowledge and he tries to give anyone. And if I talk about spineless, so of course that from because whenever he speaks, so he keeps on trying to hide and he don't want to speak more. And if I talk about overrated, so overrated is of course what's his name, Charanjit, because she keeps on trying. He keeps on trying to become overrated. Matlab, he is everything. No one is front of her. And if I talk about resilient, so of course she is resilient, because whenever sir says her she speak anything, but she never give up and she keeps on trying to speak more. And if I talk about psychopath, so of course is Hayat. Where is your balloon? Because she has so much attitude which she doesn't have, and because whenever she speaks, so she try to roast to everyone. That's it. So in my opinion, I think that the person who is mastermind, that is Amit, because whenever I see him, whenever I talk to him, then I remember that whenever he says to me, he says only one thing: you will see a day when I will be winning. So that's why I think that he is the mastermind. And second, who is spineless? That is you. They don't speak in the debate. So how will they protect their self? If anyone roasts them, then they will be keep quiet, and he will sit down after saying 2 lines. And if I talk about overrated, you were saying about that she got viral because of you. You got viral because of me. And I am the brother born of him. If I was not there, then you would not be here. And resilient, who never gives up. So whenever he gets roasted, He's saying Virat Kohli is from Sultanpuri. He knows it is wrong, but he will say that it is right. And he doesn't give up. He can prove himself that he's a girl. That's why I think that he is resident. And the person who is psychopath. Okay. And because whenever I see her, then I remember Kanchana. And second, whenever I see him, then I remember Doom. Krishna Gana Sunega. That's why I think he's psychopathic.
So mastermind, of course, Charanjit, because you know he's manipulator and he knows how to control all the situation, how to handle, and he tries to be cool, but he is not. And second one is spineless. Definitely Nikhil, because you know when he speaks in English, he makes fun of himself. That's why he is spineless. And overrated, I think Joy, because you know he thinks that he is a good English speaker, but I think that he is not as much good as much he should, and I don't think he has as much knowledge as much he should have. And it is just a rumor that he is a good English speaker. And resilient, so they both brother are resilient because you know they come daily and they do more hard work better, and they do more hard work than students. That's why they are resilient and they deserve. Psychopath, what's your name? Himanshu. Because you know he speaks anything what he wants. He doesn't know when to speak and what to speak. He speaks anything. That's why. Next.
So, in my point of view, psychopath is because when he speaks, so he tries to roast, because day before yesterday he roasted him. So second, and resilient. They try are resilient because they speaks even they don't know what to speak, but they speak. Okay, and overrated. Yeah. Because I have defeated him and I can say that I can defeat him, and spineless, yeah. Because he doesn't speak, that is the problem. And mastermind. When I did a conversation with him, so he manipulated me and he has also manipulated him also. So that's it.
So if I talk about mastermind, so that is because whatever he has told about Charanjit, so I was thinking that he is talking about himself. So if I talk about spineless, so definitely he is this, because whenever the knowledgeable person comes in front of him, so he just reached there. If I talk about resilient person, that is Goshadi, because when she keeps in ill, that's why she comes daily. Overrated, because I think that he is not dedicated for academy. And psychopath. We try. Like you can see him, but whatever he wants to speak, he speaks, and they both are.
Okay, what I personally think that who is the mastermind here? I think they both brother are. Can I pop too?
Yeah.
Like, why am I saying, like, have an example of the like in yesterday he said to Joy, he said they both can be he can be manipulated by the both. Why am I saying? And if it over the spineless, like they would be home and somewhere of the other piece. Why am I saying about him? Like, have an example of the Sunday debate. He was talking about the Virat Kohli was from Sultanpuri. You can have an example of this. Why I'm saying that? And if I talk about the overrated, there would be Joy brother and Lovely the, and not you. Okay. Okay. Why am I saying about him? Like, he just maybe somewhere of others. What I think that means he speak maybe he's coping of them, like they both of the brothers. And why am I saying about her? But I personally think that she's overrated just because of mine. And not, yeah. And if I resilient, they would be. Why am I saying, like, have an example of the like there was a debate with he was doing debate with Charanjit. Like he was he was giving his all might to prove his point, but yet he didn't. But he tried well. And if I talk about the another one, that
No problem.
like why am I saying like because even Sarah said her you speak you don't speak well English, but still she tries. And if I talk about the psychopath that would be him. Why am I saying like the psychopath person usually get irritated or annoyed by easily. And not yesterday, there was a debate. Day before yesterday, he had a debate with Shiv. Like he just got frustrated very easily. That's why.
So guys, I would like to converse about some highlighted names which are written on the board. So first of all, I would like to take the name of mastermind, of course, Mr. Amit. Yes. So as far as we all know, everyone has spoken about Mr. Amit, that why is he a mastermind person? Because whenever it's about any debate or conversation, so he keeps on saying to me that I am the resilient person, but I have never seen him while being like that. And if I talk about spineless person, of course, Pratigya. Why am I saying this? She was in my batch. She was in my batch and still she is here. She can change her partner at any time for her work. This is the reality. If there is any new person who comes and she has worked from that person, so of course why not, she will just hold the hand of her. She will just try to hug her. These kind of things. Which kind of person are you, bro? And overrated person, that is Om. So of course why not, I would like to take the name of Om, that he is an overacted person. I don't know why. His English has gone to Mars. And yes, this is the reality. His English, it seems like the worst English that I have never seen, because he speaks anything. He doesn't know how to use indefinite tenses. So of course, why not, these mistakes are made by him. And I think so there is no person who is resilient. And of course, there is no one. And if I talk about psychopath, that is Om and Nikhil. I think they are not on their path. I think that if they would be, so they would not be here. They do anything. And you talked about me that I am here because of him, and he is my backbone. Really, are you serious, bro? I am here because of my English, not because of you. That's all, guys.
So, if I talk about the first word which is written on the board, mastermind, so I don't think that anybody is mastermind here, because I think everybody took their name because they have manipulated or persuaded them, but they haven't manipulated or persuaded me yet. So I don't think that there is anybody who is mastermind. Second is spineless. Spineless, I think that person who has no stand. So that is definitely you. And where is Manshu? You and you too. Because they said me overrated, but they still dream that they want to defeat me. That is their spineless thing. Third word is overrated. Overrated is definitely Gosia, because we have seen her presence. Like, it doesn't matter if she is present or she is absent, it is the same. Resilient person is definitely Om. Om is resilient, who never gives up. Yash is not here, that otherwise I would taken his name. The last word is psychopath. Psychopath, I don't think there is anybody psychopath.
So if I talk about mastermind, that is Charanjit. Because whenever I used to come in their batch, so he used to, manipulate me. Yeah, while we used to do practice with Manav at all. And if I talk about spineless, obviously she doesn't know that how to speak. She doesn't know what to speak. She doesn't know when to speak. If I talk about overrated, that is obviously, you. He knows that how to speak. He speaks well, but he doesn't know that how to speak. He knows everything. Oh, he doesn't know anything. He knows how to speak in English only. If I talk about resilient, that is she. Because whenever she is ill, she takes off. But whenever she comes daily. And if I talk about psychopath, yeah, brother. As they have said me overrated, but they want to defeat me. She is not anything in front of me. He too. Whenever he speaks, whatever he speaks, nobody gets. If I talk about the same thing which is being spoken by everyone, that whatever is to speak, that he doesn't know whatever is to speak. He speaks whatever he wants. He thinks that he is in his friend circle, so that he can speak anything. That's it.
So in my point of view, mastermind is a
Naman, because I know when we are in school in VLS and in this academy, he keeps on manipulating me and spineless. No one overrated is he, because when he comes in my street, then he will fight my friend. Then I think that chup ho ja. I say to keep quiet when he beats you. And psychopath, they are knows he, because I don't know think how he comes in advance, because you can see he doesn't know about what to speak, when to speak, and that's it. And psychopath resilient and because they are speaks well, and they have lots of knowledge. That's it.
In my point of view, mastermind is you and you. Everyone say same thing I don't want to say, and spineless you, because he keeps on saying I will speak, but I think he never speak. And overrated you, he speak English well, and but he don't know knowledge. He does not have knowledge. And resilient you, and where is your you and you. They try what we call are resident, because they resilient, because they keep on trying and they never give up. And psychopath is no one.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this class.
Yes.
And one thing more, ये गेम सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. Okay. And this is what I want to tell my YouTube family कि क्योंकि हो सकता है वो उन लोगों को लगे भाई ये लड़की हो रहे हैं, ये क्या है. So everything is okay with right among you. So कहने वाला सिंपल सा है कि it is a part of your game, right? It is a part of your game. So no worries about that. Just keep learning it, because ये गेम है. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने जो भी वर्ड बोले उसको आपको एकदम दिल पर लेना है. आर यू गेटिंग? जैसे आपने देखा हुआ बॉस, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है, राइट? जैसे बिग बॉस है. सो बिग बॉस में क्या होता है कि वो एक गेम है, राइट? वहां पर आप बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हो. अब बहुत लोग यूँ कह देंगे कि भाई बच्चे तो यहाँ बदतमीज हो रहे, तो भाई आई फील दैट इंडिया में ऐसा कोई बच्चा नहीं जो बदतमीज ना हो, राइट? वो बाहर से ही बदतमीज होते हैं. सो यहाँ पर तो आकर हम बदतमीजी से इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा रहे हैं, और बच्चा खुद सीख सकता है, राइट? क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो तो इन फ्यूचर इट कैन हेल्प यू, क्योंकि सामने वाला बंदा आपसे लड़ भी तो सकता है ना, तो उस वक्त आप कैसे इंग्लिश बोलोगे? और सिर्फ लड़ने के लिए नहीं, आपको एक सही वे में भी इंग्लिश बोलनी है, और वो आप कब बोल पाओगे? जब आप प्रैक्टिस अच्छी करोगे, जो कि आप बोल रहे हो, बहुत अच्छी बोल रहे हो, ठीक है? सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से. आई होप यू एंजॉयड द गेम एंड यू लव वन अनदर, राइट? कोई इधर कोई किसी का दुश्मन नहीं है. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच. वॉच फुल वीडियो. ओके, गो एंड चेक योर मिस्टेक्स. जाकर अपनी मिस्टेक्स चेक करना, क्योंकि सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये वीडियो आपकी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, और कुछ नहीं. क्योंकि गलतियां होती हैं, सबसे होती हैं, हमसे भी होती हैं. दुनिया में ऐसा कोई टीचर नहीं जो गलती ना करे. जिसको लगता हो वो कमेंट ना करें, यहाँ पर आ जाए डायरेक्टली और मेरे सामने 5 मिनट लगातार बोल दे बिना गलती के. 5 मिनट छोड़ो, 2 मिनट भी बोल जाए तो मैं अपना नाम बदल दूंगा, राइट? सो गलतियां करो एंड जस्ट कीप लर्निंग इट. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.